The Green Planet, Dubai, UAE. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Living as we do in our own small world, it is often difficult to imagine that things could be very different elsewhere. Dubai has taken the initiative to bring those places to us, whether it be snow or underwater or a tropical rainforest. The Green Planet is Dubai's very own tropical rainforest full of exotic flora and fauna, with more than 3,000 species of plants, animals and birds. Right from the word go, it aims to educate guests about the important role that tropical forests play in the future of the earth. Starting with models of insects moving and buzzing, we moved on to the real thing.
Thank you, enjoy.
The entrance was superb, giving us the feeling we were below the roots. It is an experience for the senses, with creatures roaming around and birds filling the air with their musical calls. The biodome here mimics reality and is made up of 4 levels: the canopy, the mid-story, the forest floor, and the flooded rainforest. Each level discusses the role and the importance every part of a rainforest plays. The biodome is cube-shaped, 60,000 square foot in area, and the building's exterior is divided into 2 parts diagonally. One part is cylindrical with glass, while the other is covered with small circular apertures. At the center of the biodome, there is a 82-foot tall tree with an artificial trunk. A small bridge connects to the tree. There is also an artificial waterfall. Visitors enter on the 4th floor via a lift and walk down using a spiral slope. Signs not to touch the birds and animals were plastered all over, and there were guards to see that it was followed. Because of this, these creatures had no fear of humans and did not move at our approach. It reminded me of Seychelles Bird Island, where birds in the wild sat at our feet and on branches within touching range. To add a flavor of reality, every now and then there would be a loud clap of thunder with lightning and the rain would fall, leaving us absolutely mesmerized. Walking around the biodome, we caught sight of a sloth taking a leisurely stroll in the canopy, unconcerned who he disturbed. The flying foxes, though, didn't seem too pleased. Apart from this, there were little cubby holes leading out from the slope where there were night creatures, anteaters, frogs, snakes, and other interesting insects. Here are some of the other interesting creatures we spotted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your friends about it.